Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I am a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of Canada, USA and UK, and I also share my analysis on 10 currency pairs including USD Japanese yen. Okay, and please don't mind because I do not have any professional setup. I am just doing this from the comfort of my home. So without any delay, let's get started. So in front of us we have the USD Japanese yen chart, and you can see that I'm using the 1 hour time frame as this analysis is for today only, means 23rd Feb 2021 Tuesday. Okay, so for this day these two levels are important. Right now trading at 105.30, and the important levels are 105.85 and 104.92. Because after hitting this particular point or level, market started falling and took support here. Okay, so you just let the market move. Okay, and I'll say that if you are kind of an aggressive player, then if you want, then you can go ahead and buy. But if you ask me, if you ask my analysis, then I'll say that you should not hurry. You should not rush. Okay, let the price come to you. The price will only come to you at these two levels. Always trade from level to level to be on the safer position, and so that um, your risk to reward ratio is in your favor. Okay. Suppose market comes down at this price and you spot a price reversal from below. If market bounces from this level, then you can easily you can buy here. Your stop loss will be somewhere around here, and this whole thing will be your reward. So risk to reward ratio is very important. Okay, that's why I always say that trade from level to level. Okay, so here if you get USD Japanese yen at 105 level or 104.92 level, you can buy. If you see reversal or price rejection from below, okay, then only you should go ahead and buy. And in case if it goes up and hits this particular resistance again, 105.85 level, and if you see price rejection from above, or if you see some sudden selling pressure from above, then only you should go ahead and short the market. In case bulls succeed in breaking this level, then you should consider it as a breakout and you can go ahead and buy. Otherwise, you should wait for the confirmation. You should wait. Okay, when market will hit this particular zone, then you should wait for the sign. You should wait for the confirmation whether bulls are dominating the market or the bears are dominating the market. If bulls are dominating, if you see that bulls are in charge and they have taken over the control, okay, then you can go ahead and buy. If you see that bulls are not in charge, okay, man, they are losing their steam, they are losing their power. If the candles are small in size, then obviously the power is very less. In that case, you can short the market. Here, target will be 104, 105. Similarly, if you spot this similar scenario at this level, if you spot some reversal sign, or if you see that price is bouncing, okay, bulls are not allowing the market to go below the levels of 105, then it's a buy. And if you see that no, after hitting the 105 levels there is a sudden selling pressure, okay, then you can go ahead and short the market, though it is trading at 105.29. So these are the important levels for today: 105 as a support and 105.85 above. Okay, these two are the decisive levels for the day. Hopefully you all have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. for daily market analysis. And if you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. Check out my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much.